Hi, I'm Sheila. Back to study. English for everyone. English grammar guide. Learn English in 7 minutes every day. Let's start. The passive. In most sentences, the subject carries out an action and the subject receives it or the result of it. In passive sentence, this is reversed. The subject receives the actions. The present simple passive. Passive sentence take emphasis away from the agent, the person or thing doing the action, and put it on the action itself, or the person or thing receiving the action. In the present simple passive, the present simple verb becomes a past participle. For the example, many people study this book. The focus is on many people. The subject of the active sentence is many people. This book is studied by many people. The focus is on this book, which is the subject of the passive sentence. Study changed to studied. The passive is used when the agent is obvious, unknown, or unimportant. It is also useful when describing a process where the result of the action is important. For the examples, criminals are arrested every day in this town. The speaker doesn't mention the agent because the verb obviously refers to the police. Are the posters printed on quality paper? B. And the subject swap place to form questions. R. Printed. The agent is not mentioned because the process is more important. Printed. All passives use a form of be with the past participles. The agent, the thing doing the action, can be introduced with by, but the sentence would still make sense without it. For example, subject is are past participle by. This book is studied by many people. The present continuous passive. The present continuous passive is used to refer to ongoing action. For example, developers are building lots of new houses in the area. Present continuous. Lots of new houses are being built in the area. Present continuous passive. Further examples. You can't use the pool today because it is being cleaned. The robbery is being investigated by the police. The course is being taught by a well-known scientist. We're living in a trailer while our house is being rebuilt. I am being interviewed by a news channel tomorrow. Don't worry, the food is being cooked as we speak. Posters for the concert are being put up all over town. I have to walk to work while my car is being repaired. How to form. Subject, is, are. Being, past participle. Rest of sentence. New houses, the thing that receives the action. Are, present simple of be. Built, the past participle describe what happens to the subject. New houses are being built in the area.